Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku in this additional of yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, June the 19th, 2021. Because on Sunday today, we don't receive any newspaper, and I've decided to continue with the puzzles of yesterday's newspaper. And this one, a two-star Sudoku, will be number 2977. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. 25 should be 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 26. Yes, correct. 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I've double checked this. Alright, so let's get started. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square. So no 7 in those two boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then the 2 in this row, the 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then. In this column, in this row, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in this big square, so no 1 and a 6 in those two boxes. We have a 1 and a 6 in this column, so no 1 and a 6 in that box. So the 1 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. All right. 5, 7, 8, 5 and a 9. 9. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 8. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 6. So we have a Wait. 6 in this column. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 in this big square should be here. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. Well, let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. Alright. 4, 6 in this row, 6 in third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Well. Okay. How about the number 8895? Let me think. 1166, 8 and a 5. 593. Three missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers in the third column are the 3 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 359, and look, we have a 3 and a 9 in the second row, so no 3 and a 9 in this box. The 3 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One number left in this column, for third column, for the number 5. Alright, 2 numbers left. Wait. Now we have a 9 here, so this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So here we have a pair, here a pair, here a pair, there a pair, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So what are those 2 numbers in this big square? For the numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4 are missing. Yes, 3 and 4. Let me mark those boxes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8 and 9. That means that one of those 2 boxes is an 8. I cannot place an 8 in that box anymore, so the 8 should be here and the 5 goes here. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be an 8. 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers 2 and 1. 2 and 1. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There, 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then. Did I make a mistake here? No. So we have a 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 8 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 8. Okay. 953. Okay. 685. Okay. 222. 222. 99. I'm thinking. 7. Yeah. 6. 4. 2. We have a pair. 4 and a 5 in the first column, 4 and a 5 in the third column. So in the column between, the only two places for the 4 and the 5 should be in those two boxes as a pair, 4 and a 5. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 8 and the 3. Let me mark those two boxes, 8 and 3. Okay, 8 and 3, 3 and 4. Yeah. 8, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 8 here, double 8 there. So we have 8 in one of those two boxes in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 8 should be there. One number left in this big square for the number 9. Two numbers left in the first column. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. 2 and a 7 are missing. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 9 and the 3. 9 and a 3. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be an 8. Alright. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. Here we have the 7 and 8. So the other pair in this big square should be the 9 and the 5. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2, no. 3 to 5. Yeah, 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be an 8. One box left in this row for the number 6. One box left in this big square for the number 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. Two missing numbers in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5. The 6 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 6 and the 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 7. And the last two numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. 2 stars. Well, let me give this 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last puzzle of today. It will be a tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.